Hi there, my name is Dan. I work in customer support for a software company, and I want to show you something really interesting because until recently, my daily workflow looked like this. I had tons of tabs open across multiple different web browsers. I had to jump between my work and personal accounts constantly, usually making mistakes because I confused my logins and my accounts. I had to search everywhere to look what I was looking for. I was also really like getting distracted because my notifications. So I want to show you how I went from that to this. You see, here I have my personal apps. I have my work apps separated in a different group. I have also the possibility to use some browser extensions in some of them. So I have everything in one single interface, and I have all my personal apps and work apps separated. So that's real great. And I feel more productive with this new layout and with this new interface and workflow. So I'm going to show you and I'm going to walk you through the steps about how I built a personalized and really neatly organized workspace using Rambox. Rambox is the app that I'm showing you here. And I'm going to show you the steps from scratch so that you can also do it with your Rambox app on your device. I'm a professional that uses both personal and work apps, as I showed you, like my personal apps like WhatsApp, like Instagram, Canva. Uh, Here, for example, I have my work apps, Slack, Trello. So it is really beneficial for me to have everything in one place and not having to look everywhere to find what I'm looking for. If I have to send a message or an email with my work account or with my personal account. So this is real great game changer for me. So if you're tired of that chaos of looking for your stuff everywhere and having to juggle between different browser and browser tabs, this series is for you. I invite you to stay and to watch this until the end. So let's start by taking a quick look at how Rambox is laid out. So we're going to explore the Rambox's interface in the following video. Stay tuned and don't miss that one out. Bye bye.